In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Slides presentation as a PDF. This is the quickest and most reliable way to share your slides in a format that looks consistent on any device, and it automatically saves each slide as its own page. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation in your browser. Make sure you have the correct file open and that any last-minute edits are saved. Google Slides saves changes automatically, but giving it a second to sync can help ensure the PDF reflects your most recent updates. Once your presentation is open, look to the top left corner and click on File in the main menu. This menu holds all your core options for managing the document. From there, hover your mouse over the Download option. A side menu will appear with several formats to choose from. Select PDF document. This choice converts your entire presentation into a PDF with one slide per page, which is perfect for printing, emailing, or uploading to platforms that prefer PDFs. As soon as you select PDF document, the download will begin. In most browsers, you'll see a quick status indicator, either at the bottom of the window or in a small downloads tray near the top. The file will be saved to your computer's default downloads folder. If your browser is set to ask where to save files, you may be prompted to pick a location. Otherwise, it goes straight to downloads without any extra clicks. When the download finishes, open your downloads folder to find the file. It will typically use your presentation's title as the file name. You can double-click it to preview and confirm everything looks right. Each slide should appear as a separate page, with layout and formatting preserved. Keep in mind that animations and transitions are not interactive in a PDF, so what you'll see is the final static look of each slide. If you want to keep things organized, feel free to rename the file after downloading so it's easy to find later. You can also move it into a project folder or share it as an email attachment, knowing that recipients won't need Google Slides to view it. And that's all there is to it. Open your Google Slides file, go to File, hover over Download, choose PDF document, and your presentation saves directly to your Downloads folder. It's fast, simple, and ensures your slides look the way you intended wherever they're viewed.